Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Vipul Shukla. Today I am going to start a new series about Python. So, first of all, the question raised about what is Python. Python is high-level interpreted general purpose programming language. So, being a general purpose programming language, it can be used to build almost any type of application with the right tools and libraries. So additionally, Python supports objects, modules, threads, etc. But the advantages of Python, it is easy to read, improve productivity, and easy to learn and write English type of syntax. Okay, and it is also called as dynamically typed language. So why I am saying Python is a good language, because in Python you need to write very less line of code in comparison to other languages. So that's why I thought Python is very good language to learn, and this language anyone can learn, like even a child can learn, because that's why I am saying it is very easy. So today we will going to learn about very basic things, variable, autoinference and expression. So I will going to teach you about from basics, okay, about Python. So that's why I am taking this variable, autoinference and expression. So let's move on to next slide. So in next slide you will see this is variable. So in that variable it is used to assign any value. Okay. Example a is equals to 34. So that we will write in our code. Okay. Like a is equals to some string, we can save it inside this variable, as well as we can save float, okay, inside this variable, as well as we can save boolean value inside this variable. So that is a variable which is very useful in our programming language. So every time if you will create some data frame, so you can put that data frame inside any variable. So that's why I said it is very important. Okay. So next point is auto inference. So auto inference, this is used to define this variable is which is of which kind. Okay, so you can just write type of 3, so then you will get an output like integer. So this 3 is integer, so that's why it is showing you here output. Okay, this, but you can also type here any name. Okay, so then it will show you it is a string. Okay, and also if you will write any float, true or false, so then it will show you the output as a boolean. Okay, so that is called auto inference. So how you can use that? By use just type function, and then you can write inside that. Okay, so that's why it is very easy. Okay, and expression. So in expression you can see we can write an expression for variables, expression for values, strings and etc. So here we have 34 is equals to 34 and b is equals to 45. So that you can save, and that for that you can sum, okay, by using a plus b. So c is equals to a plus b, it is showing you. So guys, you can just do that by your own. Okay, this is just a very simple sum up. Okay, sum. So you can do that by adding. Okay, so that I will show you in the Python coding Jupyter notebook. Okay, so in this interface you can see this is the Jupyter or from Anaconda. So that Anaconda you can install in your system. So I will put that link in the description box, so you can just install that, download and install that Anaconda, and you can just open it like that. Okay, you have to just click on this Jupyter, launch it, and then you can open it. Okay, so first I can give the um, headings. So what was our first topic? Our first topic was variable. So you can, yes, so this is variable. Okay, this is the heading of variable. So I will write write here a is equals to root 2. Okay, first. So this is our, so then it will show you the YouTube. Okay, and if I will write a is equals to 3023 and then a is equals to, I will print, then it will show me 23 is the value. Okay, it is a string. Okay, it is a string, and here you can see I can put that it is a string, and it is also a string. Okay, here I can just put string string. Okay, and then I will show you the example for d is equals to ad is equals to some value 123. Okay, and then I can write this, you can call it. Okay, so this is my integer. Okay, this is my integer. Okay, so another value is d is equals to 32 point something, sorry, 23 point something. Okay, so this will show you the da. So you can also call it as a float. Okay, so this is our float. Now we will move to the another thing is for example, data is equal to true. Okay, and then if you call data, then it will show you true. Okay, so this is about variables. So these are a is our a variable where we have saved our values. So this is boolean. Okay, now our next topic is autoinference. Autoinference. So in that, what we can do, we can check our type of a. Okay, so it is showing me type of a is a string because I have written a here. So same I will copy from here because it is a string. Okay, then we will check it is showing you same or right output or not. Okay, so this is showing me a string, and I will copy this as well. This is an integer because, okay, and if you will put any number inside this inverted comma, so this will be converted as a string, or this will be calculated as a string. Okay, now type of ad will be what? So this will be int. Here you can see. Okay, and yeah, this data, control C. So you can check this one as well. Okay, so this is type of this data is what? Type of this data is boolean because it is showing you here you have written, here you have assigned a value which is true. Okay, so that is why it is showing you boolean. And our last is expression. So expression, here I have given the heading, and now I can write here expression, any expression. For example, I just want to do the a is equals to 45. Okay, comma, then b is equals to 32, comma, not comma, sorry, and c is equals to 40. Now I just want to multiply the all these three values, so assign those three values in and separate variable. So b is equals to a multiply b multiply c, and then I will call this a, so then it will show you the value of these. Okay, so this is my expression. So you can also write like that here, control V, you can change this to plus, and you can change this to minus, then you can see it is showing you this value. Okay, also what you can do here, this is the star. If you will write here a double star of 2, so then it will show you the value, like the square of this value. Okay, if you will do a cube, if you want to do check cube, so you can write 3, then you check cube of this. Okay, so this is about today's lecture. So thank you for, and yeah, last one is if you want to do coding, or if you want to do anything in like this, so you can also do in your mobile as well, because there are a lot of videos where you can find how to install that, and you can do programming in your mobile. Okay, so if you like this video, so please hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Thank you.